raining. That's bad. I had a lot of things to do today. It's raining. I can't do that. Because the camera will get wet. And these are also wet. Huh. I was also supposed to go to the local Family Dollar and look at hand mirrors, which I'll not have to do in the rain. I was also supposed to go serve snow cones at the library. Pretty sure I'm going to have to do that anyway in the rain. But the library's inside, so it's not really in the rain. If it's supposed to be raining tonight, I'm going to be really sad because I'm going to open mic night with my friend. Well, that's it. Bye. The quality of this sucks. Look at that. Look at the quality of this.
Oh, I'm trying to steal these batteries. Hopefully they work better.
Look at the quality of that.
That is terrible.
I know.
You need to...
It's my foot. And Curtis's face. That looks like my cousin right there.